Hey guys, I've been checking this smart ring for a couple of days now, and let me tell you, it's a really nice ring. You can get it on different designs, but I choose this one, and I have it ordered on size 11, and it fits perfectly. As you can see, it comes with this charging case where you just have to place with the correct side the ring, and in here we got some LEDs to show us how much battery the charging case has, and it charges up with a USB Type-C charging cable. And what I like about these smart rings is that it comes with different attachments that are gonna come really handy. Okay, first you get a USB drive as a gift, which I think that it's nice. You can see it has a really nice motion, and you can hang it around and have it with you all the time. Okay, we even got a lanyard for the charging case, which I think that is nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. Okay, just like this, and you can have it with you whenever you need it. We got a USB Type-C charging cable for the charging case and an extra charging cable for the proper ring. Okay, we even got the manual with all the important information about it, how to connect it, how to pair it up with the application. And I think that it's nice because with the application you get a record of any kind of exercise that you can do. Okay, so in here into the application, we can see all the different metrics that it reads. Right now it can count our steps daily. This is the total steps that I have taken today, which is 8,020. We can see weekly, for example, day. I can see each of the days specifically. Okay, as you can see, all the different steps, which I think that is nice. We can see our heart rate, the average, the lowest, weekly. As you can see, even the blood oxygen saturation, the blood pressure. It will be recording, and we can take a track of all the different notifications that it can track. It even can track our sleep, as you can see in here, which I think that it's really great. And we can record all the different sports. If we are gonna go on a run, if we are gonna go walking, cycling, if we want to go hiking or anything like that, we can have a record, so we can monitor all the different steps that we take and everything. And I think that it's really nice. It has a really long lasting battery. As I've said, I've been testing it for a couple of days now. I've even taken it out to a hike with me, which I think that it's nice, and it worked perfectly. It kept track of all my steps, it kept track of my blood pressure all the time that I was in that hike. While I sleep, I've been using it, and as you've seen, it does record it, which I think that it's nice. And as I've said, it has a really long lasting battery, which means that I haven't had the necessity to charge it that much. I usually just place it to charge when I'm not gonna use it, like when I'm gonna go take a shower, for example, and I just leave it charging in the case, which I think that it's a nice way. And overall, I think that it's a really nice set. It comes with many different attachments that I think that they are nice. I like a lot that you have a backup cable in case that the charging case stopped working for any reason. Even the USB that comes included, I think that it's nice. And it's a really nice ring that you can be using it while you sleep. As I've said, you can get it on different designs, so it's a multifunctional ring depending on the occasion that you want or how you like to style yourself. I think that it's a color that you will need, and I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.